The 5th Zonal Youth Convention of Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement, Zone 6, commenced at Umden Parish. The flag of the Zonal Youth Convention was raised by Meral Bon Siem, the MLA of Nongpo constituency, amidst the presence of enthusiastic youths representing various churches within Zone 6 of the Shillong Archdiocese. The convention witnessed active participation from youths belonging to 5 parishes, including Nongpo Parish, Kadhor Parish, Bernihat Parish, Umden Parish and Siang Parish. This event marks a significant annual gathering of youth in the convention.
Kini kilai teli kijinglong jong uding kedar. Kijinglong kaba udon. Uding bae kemud bagi scam ya kijingmut kijing perkhat bagi long ketin pareng yang gibelong firm. Sisin bagi larai hot means hot. Sisin bagi yang m. Ni scam ya kijingmut. Ngamaratin banong bagi nong yalam jong keseng samla. Umden parish bat kumju urhaga zone hi baro kawe. Kadai kajing long firm kajing ki, kajing scam jingmut kajing ki. Nong yalam bat pilong kumni kumba pilong. Pilong firm in your stand ong ketin pareng. Gini ban scam hagano kanong rim kabengingi yang